how to follow someone on Snapchat. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Snapchat application on your device. Now just make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on the plus icon over here, which is at the top right corner of the screen, and you'll be led to this add friends section. So here you can just search for the person by writing their name, and you need not know their Snapchat ID for this. You can just type in their name and you'll be able to follow them. So just type it for now. Daniel Craig. So if I want to add this person, which then if I have to follow, then I'm just going to tap on add and I'll be able to follow this person. There you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.